Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have a master lock which I've not really seen before, the 1534D, and this is a combination padlock. But what's odd about it is that it also comes with some spare numbers and a lettering. So the ones that's installed, it actually has letters, numbers, letters, which is strange. Why not just have numbers or just letters on there? I don't know, very strange, but that's what they've chosen to do. It looks like you can make your own combinations up as well, so you can swap these out. So let's just pull these little rings out, and these aren't true and false gates on there or anything like that that I know of. I imagine what these are just so they can grip the inner rings of the padlock. So move that over here. Now, is this open on Word? It is. Oh, it's got a ball bearing in there. So how do you actually take this? Oh, that's quite ugly. Look at that. I think, can you just pull that off? Is there anything protecting it from being pulled off? Doesn't seem to want to. Oh, it does. It just pops off. How strange. And then you can take these out, and I assume that you set, I don't know, you don't have to have it on the handle, do you? So you could just have it, let's just try it. Let's put all zeros on. Let's see how that works. I assume that's how you do it. So you put these on and slide them to 0, because that would be all open with the skillfully painted red. It looks like something's bled on them. Red splodges. Okay, so if you just pop these on like that, then I guess your code is automatically set to 0. Then you have this little. That's not a great clip, is it? Anyway, then you just pop that back on, and then you'd lock it up, and then you turn it. I'm assuming. Why isn't that locking? That's the number. Ah, it goes in further. There we go. Now you can turn it and it won't open. Turn it and it opens. Okay, so it looks like we've got somewhere. Can I feel? I don't know if I can. I don't know if I'll be able to do this in a random way. I never not thought of that, but let's just see if we can decode it based on the shackle pull by seeing if you can pull the shackle on this and feel for any binding wheels. Weirdly not. Maybe this is more secure than I thought. This actually feels quite, because that is there, that's there. So you'll be pulling on this, which will be forcing the ball bearing in. So it might work. Feels loose. Can I feel anything as it goes to 0? Yes. Oh, do you hear that? A little click. Let's try again with this one as it comes round. No? What about this one? Well, that's stuck in there. That's stuck in there, then that will do, and that would open. I think it's possible, but it's very, very hard. Now, how can I do this in a way which makes sense? So if I did that, I took this off, is there a way to do, so I'd take these off like that, I assume, and then what would I do? I need to cover this up. It doesn't really matter about the letters for now. What would I do? I'll put these on like that, give it a spin and put it on. I'd have to do that under the cover of something, wouldn't I? Okay, so I'll make sure these are at least the right way round, ready. And I think this is going to work. Let's see if I can decode this. It's going to be very strange. Let's give that a go. So these are about the right way around. Okay, I have a pinning mat. That might work to cover this up. This is going to be very, very odd. So I'd take one of these and I would get it so it's front facing and put it over the front of the lock. And I'd do that. No, I wouldn't do that because that's going to be one number. Find that place where it spins, give it a turn, and then put it on. Same again, put this on, give it a turn. There you go, like that, and put that on. Then put this on, give it a little turn, put that on, and put this on, and give it a turn, and put that on. I think we're ready to go. Then I'll put the little cap on, like this. I think. Hold on, where's the hole? I think they're on. There's the hole. Okay, and there's that bit. Got it all the wrong angle. I can't see what I'm doing under here. Okay, I think that's there. Then I can turn that and put that on. I've locked the lock. And then all I need to do is give these numbers a big scramble. Then I'm going to line all of the nubs, and we are locked up. So, okay, that was a bit strange. But I managed to assemble this, and I've got no idea what's going on. So, shall I start at all zeros? Would that make sense? I think, and then pull. But I'm trying to pull up on this part of the shackle, which is very hard and very slippy. We're going to give it a go, and we're going to give this a turn. Let's see if I can feel anything. Maybe one? What's this one then? I'm trying to feel for any difference in the... I can't feel anything different. Maybe it'll be easier as we go forwards. I don't know. I'm not feeling anything on that at all. This one's binding, it feels though. 3 maybe? I'm really getting very little feedback off this. So let's have a jiggle test. Let's try that 3 there. Wow, this is actually turning out to be quite hard. Mostly because you can't get a good grip on this. And my hands are getting greasy. So we're clearly not there yet. So let's do that and try again. So maybe that helps. That feels right. Let's try this one again. I don't know, try that. This is better pulling it like this, but it's hard to maneuver. Oh, we got it. Wow. So we figured it out. Did I really choose 1, 2, 4, 5? Well, I suppose you actually haven't got that many numbers to do. That's very strange. I wouldn't have guessed that. So, okay, we've learned a lot from trying this. We learned that to do it the best way is to get your fingers around it like this and pull up on the shackle really hard and then try to use your thumbs to do the wheels. And you can feel it, but you've got to pull really hard. The reason is because I don't think this side is doing much. I think it's this side with that little ball bearing, which is here. That is what this shackle here is going to be pulling up on and pushing into this wheel pack here on the inside. Not that I can show you really, but here we are. Oh, there we go. So yeah, that should be all aligned when it's all done. And yeah, very, very odd. You can't really break it down any further than that, but yeah, interesting little lock. Took me a little while to get. Certainly a little bit better than a lot of the other master lock padlocks, just because it's hard to sort of get yourself around how to pick it. But like I said, I think the best way is like this configuration, fingers like that, pull, so you're pulling up, and that's forcing that little ball bearing in, and you can decode it. But yeah, well look, I had quite good fun with that actually, exploring the lock. Oh, it's always fun, like trying to learn a new technique with a new lock you've not tried before. That's the Master Lock 1534D. 6 out of 10. Yeah, maybe, yeah, ish. 5 or 6, I'd say. I don't think that's too bad. Not a bad effort from Master Lock this time. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like this lock? Do you not like this lock? I'm actually going to put the code in as LOCK because I'm that kind of guy. If you like this video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed and you'd like to see more content like this, then please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And yeah, if you've got any comments, leave them below. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can, and I'll see you all next time.